ase another isusu ama modern the radiasio na hobanbo na akura yimu abedu sisemre boy hoban hwe ye ne yabusuafo abafu nyina se onye ma na se yedin omadanse erichiro enanube the radiasio Kristo aye biama na yeso say hi Christ message TV na be good message yeso say boy na message intime kwachi ema obibia the asampano na ya enam oniano kami oyodo fahuma Kristo na ade nyina bere ibedi apo ade nyina be siwiye fahuma Kristo na nya enkwaje ema okra enna awiye bre yesi yebeboa aye Christ message TV yesi wa mwaye na ye message entimi ko abasanya na obia ehu nokre anumre nie me pese me no etwe nkomo kakra efa awade asem ewie brem emaye den ye esisi no ya yehu yetia ana yasemfo ente yemra ese yebua na onipa bia enya be papa trabia papa amane krase ne de papa ya usapo na kan trabia fofo trabia fofo trabia anije ewu se ewani Yesu asisa betunabia mama betunabia fofo no eno ye menyadi e bat emfanisa ene ye di komo afa ewrade botaye ho ewrade o botaye o emo bibia ena onu ewrade no so a ye fere yawe no so onso ewo na botaye na odene botaye nyina ema Yesu Kristo odene botaye nyina ma ye fa na semu asem na eye Yesu Kristo enti se yeti asini ye wonkom na ye ho odena na ye se yedi Kristo mu adanse edetiro ye se yedi Kristo botaye ede be edi enti ma aweye pray ye se ne besi bia no ye de ye no kon be de ebe brawo ede de mi asese abrenya susu utie na abrenya wo boy ne message e de eko ema email binu na omuso etibi nyame hye obi bia potaye awrade potaye ho sem na awrade na nwe ye no ebetwetwe nkomo awrade potaye ho sem na ye betwetwe nkomo yi ene nipa enam na akwan so awrade potaye a odi asi ho awiye pray a enam Kristo so a efa no honhom so no ene nipa akwati sa potaye nipa atwene ho afiri sa potaye hu enna ye pese ye kai obi atwene ana ye kakai ye ho na yesampa sa potaye nu na yesanye de eba sa potaye sa fa sa okwan na Nyankopon edi ato ma yese ni Peter kan say Kristo edi anamon tie mfa fie nyere ye fa ye namon ye de esisi so nti de bia ye de de nokran ba ye de ebe brawo e pese okra enya nokran asem na enya da ere enkwa enti se na ye ife na ye be hwe asem bi wo Job human we are going to read something from Job, the book of Job 42 verse 2 Job 42 verse 2 enti ye be ka fi Job human Job 42 verse 2 Job 42 verse 2 Yemi komo emfa ho Yemi komo emfa Job human Job yenti o yetie Job human yetie Ose mahunu se tie Job ose mahunu se utumi ade yere nyina eye hwehwe awadi Nyankopon because on na oye ade nyina yeah awiye bre ode nipa obese nipa awiye bre obese nipa onuamen traw because aka say obese nsusu do say otumi ade nyina ye de eye emren so a ade bia waka bia no obeye de ne purpose bia waka bia no obeye obese nipa ade bia oboye bia enye bia no obede obese no onua entra ho ma ewrade ensewo yawe ensewo oyodo yawe oyodo nyakopon a oboye no oyodo na se ose susu dia ono so oyodo se yense pa oyodo enti emfa ni agro aweye bre hwehwe okra ma okra enhwehwe ewrade ne bota ye ne timpo na wanya ba bia ye de agina nti Job say mahu say utumi ade nyina ye nti Job say mahu say utumi ade nyina ye na worensi wu timbo biara kwan nti Yakopon ne timpo no na a Christopher ye trase ama Yakopon timpo ayede e kwan na ayede as ye trase ye hwe ye diagro Christopher mu ama butaya ana Yakopon ne timpo no ayede ense nka Job suze Yakopon ade a aka say obeye no nka obeye but enne ya yigina ho emma Kristo ya yigina ho ma Yakopon ya di Yakopon timpo ebe ye duma no ebe mana bam no enne ya tenase di agro kwa so ndani ma from sofu so nesi ni oso wonu agro ye dead to the stand say agro jini pa ni ati na ye agro amanya Yakopon ne bota ye ni timpa odi Kristo ba ya Kristo omoto aso o Kristo ye ya ojare ho de maye no say ya trust ya ama eye kwa ose mahunu se utumi ade nyina ye na woren se wotimbo bo biara kwan purpose Yakopon ne bota ye ya odi ma ye a Kristo for no ya trust ma sa ne mai nyina ye de essay but ye frɛ ho Kristo ye ho ye ho ye na ho kwa ye pese opia ho se ye Kristo for na nso nya meti bono ya ye de siba bi Mumi ehwani ye from antihoda akaka ni Kristo e piefi na hima mu na oba o say first no oba boko na second come in yes that's why we are always talking about Christ. We have seen some things, we have seen some visions, and it is very, very dangerous, and it scares. Don't spend your time on things that will help you. You know, and say ye diabrache ya nenam ache ye no creba. If you like it, you can take it. If you don't like it, I'm not going to force you. I hear Christ Message TV. Ye be too full. And Christopher, no my sorry angel, na nyame potaya, odi asi o odi amaye no. Anya sabu tele na ye here duma. Mumi ehwe ni yo ye umay eni nawo ya trase akiso fo trase ma nsembia yede afa yase yede yebetufo na yebehwe another verse our Bible room yebehwe another verse our Bible room enti yehwe asembia Paul so odre Timothy yehwe asembia Paul in 2 Timothy 1:9 brothers and sisters, let us be serious for doing the work of God. Let us be serious. Now, it's like we are playing, we are joking. We have taken for granted the purpose why God called us. No, we have put everything aside and we are doing our own purpose. We are doing our own what? Purpose. Matthew say, 1 Timothy say, 1 Timothy verse 9. Or say, he saved us and called us home. What prayer home, the grati, what prayer home. Baby, I call it 9 years. And I'm say, oh, what would I be? Or pese, or de ye and I wafre so. We are so far, or choose were you. Say, the bay Nebuta Yebimano, but yet a juma be a man, and no cook is so sumwa. A juma emfa Christo, a juma emfa Yame, a putayum, and not yedi. I am Nano, was Okita, Negrante Eba. Okita the who saw a power. Na ohu super we no wanti manwurambi okita eyino a ohu so na wanti manwurambi yemaya nimro wo kisosumu. Let us be serious. Everything we are doing because of even 1 Timothy 1:9 2 Timothy 1:9. I said, even. I said, he saved us and called us to be his own people. He called us. And I said, we are already this. Already you say, we are the dear. A DNT and a radio flow. Or so for evangelist, prophet, deacon, deaconess. Bishop, a DNT, and I were dear you say, Rabbi Bishop, a DNT, and I were dear Afro say, Rabbi Pastor, and I would tear ho, and I would dear grow, would dear Yesikape, would dear a radiasum, I Yesikape, a popo, would dear Grati, Epe, a ma, and I was a hey. Unso Yahweh. Or say, Mina Mikum. Mina make Mampa. Unso. Why you said, Rabbi, quite leader. And some wood and some fun, and I would walk woody. I will Breno. Who I need him, but I will Breno. A bear who, because Yakasa, Yenimiako, Yenimiahu, Yenimiahu. It is a cat and Sapisia, man, Cassa, halfway, one yes or yes of Funti, I said, you went 229 or no. I said, what I remember, I didn't be also. Oma won't queer, whatever you sue. Oma won't queer, and found say, yet but a master said, 1,000. Oh, bro, what's it? Now she's already. What the one who doesn't, yet done crying the elm. And no be and a young moor. Yet Tim, sir, Unia, Sissan Agene. And no be and a young moor. Yet Tim, sir, for Christo. And quite yet a mouth cry. And quite yet a mouth cry. You should quite you and quite your wonderful and I had a year born. I mean, can verse be grow as a mere messing about Timothy. I mean, can verse be what? Yes, a verse was here. Yes, a verse was here. Me, I messed up with Timothy because. Ye trust ne ye huntino ane yes this year oboka say agro bi yeti so na nya agro ni yeti 1 John 1 ekon yentie asema John ekai yentie asema John ekai also we write I say we write to you about the word of life. Asama eye nkwano yeah ni omuhu ye no omwan antrase nya krose ne ene akristofo ye dia gono omoni agro ene kristofo agrobini yeti Pino, ose die ho free vitiasie. Die yati pino. Yohani mumano first Yohani no. Why ekono? Pino no make no. Ose we read to you about the word of life. We read to you about the word of life. And I feel so say die ho free vitiasie. Die yati. Die yati yen ani ade amu. Eti se bibia ultimi andino unua mu ye ya bibi enitima ya gine nipa kram enitima ya gine nipa kram okra Yankopon no oboy no enitima ya gine ho enti Kristo hu ye nti ohu nipa bo oba the compassion. Jesus was filled with compassion because on him I cannot dear or put him aye. Did John Emuye and I John all dress and sanity either at war. Or said, dear, a war free vitas here, dear Yati, dear Yeti, ni amu, dear Yeshaya. Na Yeti yen sa a kaye. Yen Yahubio, yen mianti, yen Yahubi, a witness. Ye train yema. It is a Tiemsaya, Unia, Sanum, Mecano, Minya Sofo, Minya Adaminia A. But we write to you about the word of life, which has existed from the very beginning. We have heard it, and we have what? Seen it with our eyes. Nipa hunyama ya hunyama. It is a far Bible say na ye kan sama onuan utibia sisa everyone come boy home sisa okwa bia wonam so bia no ye de sisa. And we have seen it with our eyes. Yes, we have seen it, and our hands have what? Touched. Yeah, bless no money Christo, almost so many, but ye don't ya nearby. And then, and my D, your father, ye come send them. And a Christopher, yet it never be a diagro, yet in your young one a diagro. And if yes, about Timothy, so yet I say he saved us and called us to his own people, not because he saved us and called us to be his own people, not because of what we have done, but because of his own purpose. Wafreo, wajien, ela wafre, ewo onuam ni putayem nti. Anya wo putayem o ntwabeka se, hwani ye osofo. Ne wodi nyame asore eye no. Ne wo wa pa wo ye no. Onua ya fro se bebebo bra etene. Bebe ye kunkuru no. Wa be wura Kristo sumu. Eye niema emfata. Wait ma diwani na aweye bra no. E ho na obehu say yes. Wo beti bobode bobo. Akwari to no so ti o so beti bobole bobo. Onia muma ya nimbre afutu bia awadi edi amawo no ayesa wo so ye dem wo che no nua no eche because of his own purpose and grace onwa the purpose ntima wa friend shebe bia na yenenam ya Kristo odi ne moja be ku ho ayi ya frisa adiyem nti onua emre bia benya bia no fashishe nyame asem fashishe ukra je fashishe ukra ma ukra enya enkwa. He gave it purpose and grace, and he gave us this grace by means of Christ Jesus before the beginning of time. Enti Yakopon edi yefri enkwasumu abrosam edi ekom wa yefrim asa wa frewa bompa ye bi se Awurade se Awurade edien ede Awurade menye mawo Abraka ne so ye de ye tufo ye tufo opa fa umpa e wa wasem yo umparaba ye cheki Bible no ye cheki Bible no jamre o no so fa Bible no hwehwe na kwabi cheki Bible no na ebe boa Ni John o tre biem na yemfa yekomodi no emra wiye na yemfa yekomodi no enye de emra wiye first John emfa first John ye kan first John 2:17 2:17 onua boaye ne Christ Message TV no entim ko akiri na be boaye nua bi ma otamfo no achichiro mo omutia ombenya ni gaso entima yeyi ehwasi wono first John 2:17 no yehe first John 2:17 no yehe asma John oyede otwe I see the word and everything in it, the word and everything in it that people desire is passing on. Ya tu di nyama bebrechi ayemrem ukwa so nalima adaizo arewo the bia ne kai because the couple of characters are was yet at the new call different asondalim na ukwa so nalima ye di nyama emfamfaso akono emfamfaso emraen ena ye di akire e wa asondalim. The word and everything in it that people desire are passing away. Is what? Passing away. Yeah. What the all you want to all you want to see professor Unjai. Hey. but Mansa won't die. And your man, meaning our boy, one day, over woo. Now, who can I say? A corner and throw Iowa corner. And then Pia and Trossa, then Pia and Tro, then Pia. So we do never two problem. Then Pia, over woo me. Hey, a double woo, a ho. And I want to bet to woo, when you bet this bet to wine. Yeah, there's something did never be much. A corner, Bonnie be. You can't say, but I say, I go be the so that I got go the you can't see ya. Never put I didn't mean I agree, dear. Need the intimate Yankopon or ye say on my crocono. Ya two when you may put I agu and I yet him. I call not bonny, never peer and Zafata, and I hear tickets to sumo. And you never. Yes, sir, what the woman said. On wine, upon Paya sled, what the woman and wine will be beer. Lay na young or high no. Then they intimate and whom or high no, nay, ye cry and never papantra. Yet was so. Yet was so. First John 2:17. I said the word and everything in it that people desire is passing away, but those who do the will of God live forever. I say what? But those who do the will of God, nyame putaeno, nyame peno, omo yeno, omo disno, omo to na kwa pepeno, omo betrasi da ene enkwa, omo betrasi da anyway. Oh, I see you get like a tree no account. Oh, me bought more than I can pin so account. The word and everything in it that people desire is passing away, but those who do the will of God live forever. Osin na wiase ne na kono richem ke odi wani apo niema bia ebetwem ebesai hey azabo onia yema ya nimro ma wanimre ahwehwe niema en gamda enu na ebe boa nti o se pino Yohane woman no 2:17 no o se na wiase ne na kono retwam na die oye ade a onyankopɔ pɛ no tena hɔ daa onua ya futuo se hwehwɛ die nyankopɔ ne yɛ ɛpɛ botaye ntia nyankopɔ no afrɛ botaye ntima nyankopɔ no ayiwu sɛ wo yɛ ɔsɔfoɔ wo yɛ evangelist wo yɛ choir leader wo yɛ deacon wo yɛ deaconess yɛ ɔmo na watima yɛ ne atena hɔ daa saa de twini kae pɛ no ɔsen ɔyɛ dia onyankopɔ pɛ no tena hɔ deɛ bɛn daa onua ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛtena hɔ daa ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛtena se daa ɔndeɛ ɛto gye wɔ yɛde yɛ tuufu Christ message ɛna yɛ tuufu no boyen na yɛ message na nyɛ dɛ entim yɛ dɛ ɛnkɔ akyiri ti ɛna nyimre hwehwɛ onyame potaye yɛ wɔ sɛ bebree ɛyɛ dɛ ɛka fa ho a yɛde bɛyɛ dɛ ɛbɛba nyame potaye moma yɛ ntungu nyame deɛ ntima ɔfrɛ no ɔwɔ potaye ntima ɔyɛ dɛ ɔfrɛ onua nyame aso ndwe nyame ahoɔden nyame honhom ɛnka obi bia ho yɛ mmɔfra titiriw nyame nka ho ɔnka ne yɛm sɛ mpayɛ ɛma obi bia wiase nyinaa ba bia obi a yɛ mmɔ mpayɛ sɛ yes obia be hu yagura de Kristo ya mi samu o samu ma mo boye ma e message e ko atiri nyame o mama hotem o mi mo atwem kakra mo betinu mo mfa mo ai mo sende e ma wunya mo sende ma obi bia wai na yesu ya ye ready say e di no kwere be de e be ba na me enka mo nyina mma bai